How to save YouTube music in YouTube Music app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save YouTube music in YouTube Music app. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your YouTube Music application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here you'll be able to explore different songs in your newsfeed. Simply scroll to find the one that you're looking for, and once you get the one you would like to save or download, you will need to simply tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the song, and from the menu that appears at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate the download option. If you'd like to save this music, then you can simply tap on Save to Playlist in order to save it. Then if you haven't created any playlist yet, you'll be able to see this pop-up at the bottom. Here simply tap on New Playlist and then add a title and description for your playlist. After that, if you'd like to make it public, you can leave it as default, but if you'd like to make it private, then simply tap on the option and then scroll down, tap on Private. After that, it will be set to private. Now tap on Create button in order to create the playlist. Now this particular song will be saved to your playlist. Now, if you would like to download it so that you could listen it later, then you will need to simply tap on this arrow facing downward icon, or you can also return back to the previous page and here locate the song and then tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the song. Here at the very bottom, locate the download option and then tap on download in order to download it in the YouTube Music. Now once after downloading it, you'll be able to access it in the download section. For that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then here in this page, locate the downloads option. Once you get it, simply tap on it and then there you'll be able to see downloaded songs option. Simply tap on it and inside it you'll be able to locate the song that you have downloaded. Now you'll be able to access this song later when you are offline. Also, there is a smart feature called Smart Downloads, which you can enable it so that the songs that you listen frequently will be automatically downloaded or available for you even in the offline mode. In order to enable that, you will need to first return back to the previous page, tap on the home icon, and then in this page, tap on the profile icon at the top right. Here, you will need to locate the settings option, which is at the bottom of your screen, and then tap on it to open it. Now here, look for downloads and storage option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And here you'll be able to locate Smart Downloads option. Once you find it, simply tap on the toggle button at the right side to enable it. Now once you have enabled it, all your favorite musics will be saved automatically when you are on Wi-Fi with sufficient battery. You may also move the slider to the right side in order to increase the number of songs that you can download. But make sure you have enough storage for that. So by following these steps, you should be able to save music in YouTube Music app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.